Right, we're going to continue the graphite exercises, and this time we're going to do graduated graphite exercises. And so I'm going to make 2 squares using my value scale template that we made. And I'm going to look back at the originals, and then I'm going to kind of construct them using any means necessary to draw perfect shapes like circles or straight lines. And label it, of course, always label it. Now I'm going to start with my 4B. I always tell you what pencil I'm using. You notice I'm going up and down. I'm going to make like a mini triangular shape value scale here. And this time I'm kind of cross-hatching the values. And I'm using the side of my pencil. When you use the side of the pencil, it merges those values together and it makes them smoother and more beautiful. It creates a really nice smooth texture. And then I'll go back at the points and sharpen up that value there with the point of the pencil this time. And catch up the other side using the point of my pencil. Put that line down the middle again, or that diagonal line. Of course, use the tissue paper to smooth it out. Poke up just a few values with the kneaded rubber eraser, and use my eraser guard copy paper again to make sure the edges are nice and neat. Plus that helps keep the eraser from getting all over everything. Okay, now it's time to do the circle inside the square. Okay, and to sharpen my pencil. So now I'm going to go dark at the top, light at the bottom, and making that value scale one more time. It's getting a little smudgy. So I'm going to kind of clean that up just a little bit. And now it's time to start the other circle. And you notice I turned my paper so that it's a little bit easier to work with the direction that you're shading in. Still using the side of my pencil, still using that 4B. I'm going to get it dark at the top, kind of cleaning up the edge of that inner circle. And then light or dark at the bottom, light at the top, so it's in reverse of the inside circle. Clean it up just a little. Make the edges neat. Pull out some values, and now it's time to dark at the top, light at the bottom for the square. Just keep going. And notice I'm still cross-hatching here. I started horizontally, and now I went a little bit vertical to kind of add to the value. And using the little tissue to clean it up. Get the edges nice and neat. Use that eraser guard. And now it's your turn. Go make yourself some of those.